Hey traders, it's day 7 of becoming a pro trader. By now you've got some serious tools under your belt. Indicators, chart patterns, risk management. But here's the thing, none of it matters if you don't have a plan. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a trading plan that you can actually stick to. Let's make your blueprint for success. First up, what's your trading style? Are you all about fast-paced action, jumping in and out of trades within minutes? That's day trading. Or do you prefer holding on to positions for days or weeks? That's swing trading. Pick a style that fits your lifestyle and personality. This sets the tone for your whole plan. Next, let's talk entry and exit rules. This is where all those indicators you've learned come in. Whether it's moving averages, RSI, or candlestick patterns, know exactly what signals get you into a trade, and more importantly, when you'll exit. No guessing, no emotions, just clear rules. Now, we can't forget about risk management. You know the drill. Never risk more than 1 to 2% on any trade, and always set your stop-loss orders. This is what protects your account from those unexpected market moves. If you don't know your risk, you shouldn't be in the trade. Simple as that. And lastly, set goals. But not just any goals. Be specific. Maybe your target is to grow your account by 5% a month, or maybe it's having a win rate above 60%. Clear, achievable goals give you something to aim for and help you track your progress. That's it for day 7. A strong trading plan is the key to staying disciplined and consistent. Without one, you're just gambling. Don't forget to hit that follow button, drop a comment, and let's keep leveling up together. See you on day 8.